How to turn on friend requests, email notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on friend requests, email notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then notifications, and here just go down until you find this one, friend requests. Click on it and now just turn email on and go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.